Understanding the phrase, a reassuring tone, in English. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a very interesting and commonly used phrase in English, a reassuring tone. This phrase is not just about the words, but also about how they are said. So, if you're keen on improving your English communication skills, stay tuned as we dive into the nuances of this phrase. A reassuring tone is a phrase made up of two key components, reassuring and tone. Let's break them down. Reassuring. This adjective comes from the verb reassure, which means to give someone confidence, to comfort them, or to make them feel less worried. Tone. In the context of communication, tone refers to the quality or character of sound, especially of someone's voice. So, when these two are combined, a reassuring tone refers to a way of speaking that comforts or gives confidence to the listener. To better understand a reassuring tone, let's look at some examples. 1. In everyday conversation, imagine a friend is worried about an upcoming exam. You might say, "You've studied hard. You'll do great," in a calm and gentle voice. This is using a reassuring tone. 2. In professional settings, a doctor might use a reassuring tone to calm a patient who is nervous about a procedure. 3. In parent-child interaction, parents often use a reassuring tone to soothe their children, like saying, "Everything is going to be okay," during a thunderstorm. These examples show how using a reassuring tone can affect the message you're conveying. Understanding and using a reassuring tone is crucial because it conveys empathy. It shows that you understand and care about the listener's feelings. Builds trust. People are more likely to trust and feel comfortable with someone who speaks reassuringly. Effective in difficult situations. It helps in calming down tense or stressful situations. We hope this video helps you understand and use a reassuring tone in your daily English communication. Remember, it's not just what you say, but how you say it that makes a big difference. Keep practicing, and you'll surely improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.